no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat. Y'all, it's been so long since y'all have seen me. Today I am here to give you guys a wig review. I am reviewing a unit from MyFirstWig. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. Y'all, it has been so long since I have really put on a wig, really laid down some lace, but you know, we getting right back to it. I would like to thank MyFirstWig for sending me this unit, and I truly appreciate them for working with me as a new mother. Like, y'all, being a mom is so cool, but I miss putting on wigs, y'all. I truly did. So we're gonna get right into this review. MyFirstWig always gives you a lot of goodies in their box, so I appreciate them for that. I really love working with MyFirstWig. Their quality is amazing, and I just love how beginner friendly these wigs are. As y'all can see, that lace is everything. You don't have to do a lot of camouflaging. You don't have to do a lot of finessing with this wig. Literally, you just have to match the lace to your complexion and you are out the door. What I really liked about this wig, of course, is how beginner friendly this is, how simple it was to put on my head, but also y'all, are y'all peeping the layers in this wig? I love layers in a wig. I also like that this was a sandy brown number 4 type of wig color. I'm so used to dark wigs. I'm so used to 1B. So I'm like, let me go ahead and just get some color, because black hair sometimes, especially long black hair on me, makes me look dry a little bit, make me look a little dull. But when I get a little pop of color in my wig, y'all, cute. So again, everything is self-explanatory. I'm cutting off that lace. Clearly, I'm loving this wig, okay? Look at that. Look at that. All I did was just put my foundation on, put it on top of that lace, let it blend in with my complexion, and boom. I ain't even glued it down yet. Y'all peeping this? Are y'all peeping this? Okay? Yes, cat. I'm going to spray a little bit of the bed head spray. I alternate between hairsprays. I use Got To Be, that's my go-to. But if I don't have that in my possession at the time, I will use bed head. I just wanted to flatten out the top just a tad bit more. Edge booster just for a little razzle dazzle. Like, you really don't need to do this step, y'all. Y'all could really bypass this. Baby hairs are such an optional thing for me right now, so don't get me wrong, I love me some baby hairs, but for right now with this wig, I just wanted y'all to really see how melted this lace was. We are done. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. Clearly y'all seen while I was gone, I was being a mommy. I'm still being a mommy, but I just truly appreciate that you guys are still looking for a review from me, a video from me. I just cannot express how grateful I am to still come on a platform where people still want to see you do some hair. Like, that's raw to me. Like, is raw. Again, I want to thank MyFirstWig for sending me this unit. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are sharing this video, and make sure you guys are subscribing and hitting that bell so you'll never miss another video from me. So like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.